Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Sony INZONE H9 wireless headphones. These are WH-G900N headphones, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with these headphones not pairing with Bluetooth or not connecting to your device, or if they keep disconnecting, if they're not responding, not working, any kind of issues like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now you're going to need to set them up again because all the pairing history and everything will be wiped off to its initial out-of-the-box state. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you want to just set it up on new devices and you just want to get a clean start by wiping everything off of it, we can go ahead and do that really simply. All we need to do is, first of all, we need to make sure that these headphones are turned off and they are not plugged in. Turned off, not plugged in. Once you do that, you're just going to come in and press and hold the Bluetooth and the power buttons simultaneously for about 10 seconds, or 10 seconds or more, like 10 to 15 seconds, and they will reset. And you'll know that they reset when the indicator light, the power indicator light, will flash white 4 times, indicating that the reset is complete. You can go ahead and set them up as a new set of headphones.